Hey guys, welcome to Math Magic. Today I'll be teaching you a simple and easy trick for the multiplication of 11. So let's get started. Firstly, we'll start off with our 2-digit numbers. So we'll do 45 times 11. So normally if you would do this question, it will take you a while. But this trick I'm about to tell you will take you seconds. So we'll start off with putting down the 4 because 4 is our first digit. Then we'll add the first two digits 4 and 5 to get 9. And lastly, we'll put our last digit down 5. And here's the answer, 495. Now that was fast, wasn't it? So before we move into our next problem and to the 3, 4 and 5 digit multiplications with 11, I would like to acknowledge that we get these tips and tricks in Math Magic from ancient India, and this is called as Vedic mathematics. So let's move on. We'll try a few more problems with 2-digit numbers multiplied by 11. So this question will actually be a little different than the last one we did, and in a moment you'll see why. So let's go with firstly putting our first digit down, which is 2. Then add 2 and 8, which is 10. So we'll put the 0 down and we'll just put the 1 underneath it. And then we'll do 8, we'll put 8 down. Then you'll be wondering, what do we do with the 1? So we'll add this 1 with the 2 and you'll get 308. And that will be your answer. Okay, let's try another problem. So let's do 25 multiplied by 11. Pause the video and see if you can do this by yourself. Okay, so hopefully you can do this. So we'll start off by bringing the 2 down, the 2 from our first digit from 25. Then we'll add 2 and 5 and we'll get 7. Then we'll place our last digit, which is 5. Okay, hopefully that's what you got. Okay, so we're done with 2-digit numbers, and if you're still stuck, then rewind the video and try some more practice problems. So now we'll move on to multiplication of 11 with any number that's bigger than 2 digits. So let's try. We'll do 234 multiplied by 11. So to solve this problem, you will have to write this in this format. 234. So the zeros must be on each end. Then you must add these numbers accordingly. So the 4 and 0 add, the 4 and 3, then the 3 and 2, and the 2 and the 0. So I'll show you how it's done. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. And 2 plus 0, 2. This is the answer. Simple. Let's try a few more problems. So let's do 432 times 11. Make sure you don't forget to add the zeros at the start and at the end. So add 0 and 2, then add 2 and 3, add 3 and 4, and add 4 and 0. So let's add this all together. So 0 and 2, 2, 3 and 2, 5, 3 and 4, 7, and 4 and 0, 4. This should be answer, 4,752. Now let's try with some bigger numbers. So let's do 3,625. And let's add up both of our zeros. And let's add them. So if it helps, make the lines so you remember what you're adding. Okay, pause the video and try to see if you can solve this question. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 6, 9. And 3 plus 0, 3. This is your answer. Math Magic is all about making your life easier and helping you learn some fun and easy tricks that will help you solve your questions in seconds without the use of a calculator.